Babes.
Are you cold?
It's cold.
It's a little cold.
Babes.
Peeps. No, wait, I did that wrong.
Babes.
Peeps. We are here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina.
Babes, it's cold.
Jen's cold. We are here for the start of Tweetsie Railroad Christmas. So we have been here once before for the Ghost Train event. We loved it.
Wasn't as cold.
It was not as cold. Yeah, no, I mean that was like September, give or take. So we are here to check out Tweetsie Railroad's Christmas event for the first time ever. It's very cold. It's in the 30s right now. Jen's okay.
She's cold.
But it's our first time here for the Christmas event. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We're going to bring you along with us. Let's check it out. Here it is. The entrance to Tweetsie Railroad Christmas. Over there is the start of the train. Looks like it goes down that way. Super excited. Let's check it out. So people are lining up here for the 8 o'clock train. As we walk in, we're on the 8:30 train. You can see Frosty up there. Oh, but the train is coming in now. Check it out, it's the Tweetsie story. Locomotive number 12 is the only surviving steam locomotive from the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. There's the whole story right there. So only a certain section of Tweetsie Railroad is open for the Christmas train event. I'll put the picture up here of what section of the park is open. But obviously you've got the train over here. Up here in front of us is going to be meeting with Santa. And there's a couple of other things up here as well, including dining options. And looks like there's hot cocoa or something up there. If you're looking for options on where to eat when you come to Tweetsie Railroad, right across from the train is the Cowboy Cantina, which has, I've just checked inside, they have hot dogs, they've got pizza, they've got kids meals, they've got nachos, a whole bunch of fun stuff. Okay, here's another look at what is open during Tweetsie Railroad. So we just entered through here. Looks like there's a little shop here. There's the Cowboy Canteen that we just showed you. General store, Western store. You load on the train here. Up here is Tweetsie Palace, which has a Christmas show, and a fudge store. And then there's a sign and glass shop, a couple of small rides. Santa's house is over here, as well as a funnel cake factory. And then past this area, down here, you've got a hacienda cart, s'mores fire pits, the blizzard, little drummer boy, which is a teacup ride, and a couple little fun rides for kids. Bye! Okay, so if you're planning ahead, Santa is on the other side of the train. On the left side of the train is the s'mores, the fire pit, and some amusement rides that we're going to go check out now. Woo, woo! Ghost train! Woo, woo! Santa's Gingerbread House right up there. Very excited to check that out. But first up, we're going to check out what's down this pathway. Last time we were here, there were some fun haunted houses down this way. In fact, Santa's house was a haunted house last time we were here. Like we mentioned, down in this area, they've got s'mores and hot cider. They've got these fun jet plane rides. The drummer boy is like a fun version of the teacups with like little drummers here. That's pretty fun. Got fire pits out there, much needed because it is super cold right now. And I have no idea what this is, but it says I survived the blizzard. There's like an inflatable outhouse right there. We're gonna check this out. The blizzard. Persons prone to motion sickness should avoid this attraction. Well, we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, it's one of these things. Oh, go ahead. Wow. Knock, knock. Is anybody in there? Oh, it was Santa. I hope you sprayed Santa. Oh my goodness, there's a little petting zoo. Look what we've got going on here. Aw, that's cute. Another fun ride here. But right in front of us, more importantly, is Santa's Gingerbread House. Looks awesome. Let's go inside and meet Santa. Oh. Oh. He has been expecting us.
Meet Santa.
Thank you. Oh. It's nice and toasty in here. This is fun. Alright, so there's two lines. The one on the right skips the line and basically you don't meet Santa Claus, but we're here to meet him. I'm gonna give him my Christmas list. Oh, look, he's back there somewhere. This is great, like there's no line. Now, of course, it'll be more crowded as the event goes on, but we kind of got lucky. All the elves here. Oh! There he is! There's Santa! Surrounded by gingerbread men. Hello. This is awesome. It's like a snow globe. 31 days till Christmas as of this recording. Santa's got his list and he's checked it twice. And as you leave Santa's workshop, we've got this fun little kid ride here. So very kid and family friendly event here at Tweetsie Railroad. For adults, it's really all about bringing the kids and enjoying. It's all about the train and the shopping. Nothing really as far as adult rides, except, of course, the train. And we're heading there now. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it's like a sing-along as you ride the train. Over here in the Tweetsie Palace is where they have the Christmas show. Unfortunately, we missed the show times this evening, but this is where you'd go to see it. Just so you can plan accordingly, the Tweetsie Palace has show times 5:45, 6:30, 7:15, 8, and 8:45, and they serve food from 5 to 9:15. Oh look, the show just ended, but it looks like it was included Christmas caroling. That's cool. And over here, they've got like light food, cotton candy, nachos, pretzels, chips. They also have pizza and hot dogs here. So you can get that while you watch the show. And at the top of the hill across from Tweetsie Palace is also Fudge Works, where you can come get candied apples and fudge and other sweets. This is fun. I guess in season, they have this chairlift or this ski lift, Tweetsie Mining Company, that brings you up that way to a different section of the park. In the Tweetsie Railroad store, there's a ton of fun merchandise, Christmas themed or otherwise. You've got the regular Tweetsie Railroad stuff here. Some, this looks like Ghost Train, but I think it's just the neon colors. Some glowy stuff over here. Ghost Train! For a good time, open the door. Oh my goodness.
Hey, if you don't mind, how about closing the door? I'm in here. That's right, kind of a private office for myself. Yeah, I won't be out for just a minute. I'm gonna get out my business done, if you know what I mean. And just about, here's a little book catalog already in here, but you're next on the line, so I'll be out in just a few minutes. Okay?
He's out of toilet paper. All right,
Santa.
Sorry.
The Santa outfit on.
Here's the Tweetsie Railroad Christmas shirt. It's got the little snow globe on the front and on the back. Happy trails, partners. Bye, Santa. See you December 25th.
Still cold, peeps.
Still cold.
Say cold.
So what'd you think of the Tweetsie Railroad Christmas train?
So great. It was so great.
Yeah, it was
so
a lot
great.
of fun. I mean,
caroling, like sing-along caroling.
Yeah. Now, we sat on the right side because when we rode the Ghost Train, there was more on the right side. I would say in this train,
pretty even.
It's pretty even. There's a lot on the left side or the right side.
There's structures on the right side.
Yeah, but there's just as much lighting on either side.
On both sides. Way more stuff than even in Halloween.
Yeah, there's no werewolves, there's no Yeti.
No, there's no characters.
No, but there's a lot of lights and sing-along music like you saw.
Yeah, it's great. Super cozy.
So Tweetsie Railroad Christmas train, obviously a significantly smaller event than the Ghost Train.
It's worth doing, man. It's so nostalgic.
Yeah, but it's like very sweet.
All the warmness.
Yeah, I mean, the train itself is probably about a 20-minute train ride.
Yeah, it's good.
The other events, depending on lines, you can probably, get about an hour, hour and a half from the other events. So I would say reserve about 2 hours for the whole experience of Tweetsie Railroad.
You come and eat and shop.
Yeah, eat and shop and watch the shows.
The only rides that are open really are kids.
Yeah, very kid rides. You're not gonna not a lot of adult stuff, but it's a fun, family, kid-centric event.
Yeah, for sure.
So if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. While you're down there giving us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the little notification bell.
Think warm thoughts while you're doing it.
Think warm thoughts while you're doing it. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you like seeing. Let us know if you want us to come back. Check out other Tweetsie Railroad events. And also, if you have not seen our ghost train video,
Oh yeah, we do a lot of.
at the end of this video, we're going to put a little link to it. So stay tuned for the end of the video, and it'll look like this right here. It'll look like that. Click that, watch the ghost train video, rewatch this video because we like the likes and we like the views.
And we like the videos.
Yeah, we like doing these videos for you guys, and hopefully you like them too. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.